Hello, everyone. I'm Davis. Long time no see.
And I'm Sarah. This is our Christmas Spectacular.
Davis, we are finally here, mid-December, the end of the year. How are you feeling?
Honestly, Davis, I feel a bit heavy.
Heavy? Why? What is that sound I hear?
I am holding my old journal from January. I'm looking at the list of goals I wrote 12 months ago. Listen to this list. Number 1, read 20 books. Number 2, go to the gym 3 times a week. Number 3, speak fluent English.
That sounds like a perfect plan. So let's review. How many did you finish?
0. I failed everything. I feel like I wasted the whole year.
Sarah, stop right there. To all our listeners right now, if you are feeling like Sarah, please don't be sad. You didn't waste your time. You just used the wrong tool. Let's analyze this. Sarah, tell me about February. Why did you stop going to the gym?
Well, I remember it was raining, I was tired after work, and the gym is 30 minutes away from my house. I just lost my motivation.
Aha! Listeners, did you hear that word? Motivation. That is the trop.
But isn't motivation important?
Motivation is like the weather. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it rains. You cannot trust it. Here is a powerful word you should know. Consistency.
Consistency. So it means doing something every day, even when I'm tired?
Exactly. Sarah, you failed because you made it too hard. You chose a gym that is far away. You tried to read 20 books when you were too busy.
You're right. I relied on willpower, and my willpower ran out.
So, what is the lesson for next year? Listeners, I want you to imagine this.
Imagine what?
Imagine you want to run in the morning. Instead of just thinking about it, imagine you put your running shoes right next to your bed.
So the first thing I see when I wake up is my shoes?
Yes, that is called a system. Don't focus on the goal, I want to run. Focus on the system. Make it easy to start.
I get it now. So instead of reading 20 books, I should just put a book on my pillow.
Exactly, make it obvious.
Wow, looking at my failed list now, I don't feel sad anymore. I just realize I need a better system, not more motivation.
So to everyone listening, before you make a new list for the new year, take a moment to review.
Think about your last year. Be honest. Why did you stop? Was it too hard? Was it too boring?
We want to hear from you. What is the one biggest lesson you learned this year?
Please let us know in the comment section. My lesson is don't trust motivation, build a system.
That is a great lesson. Thank you for listening to the English Level Up podcast.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. Let's make next year a little better together.
Cheers to a better version of ourselves. Bye-bye.